Hi guys, it's Sydney with Tastefully Frugal, and today I want to share with you a super easy project to make. The best part is you probably already have everything you need to make it. We are going to be making these no-sew face masks, and all you really need to make this is an old t-shirt. Now, in the description for this video is the Design Space canvas link so that you can make these on either your Maker or your Air 2. Or if you don't have a Cricut machine, there's also a downloadable PDF, so you can print that out on your printer and cut it out of your t-shirt as well. Before we get started, I will let you know that these masks are not rated for disease control. They're not considered personal protective equipment, so they're not going to prevent you from getting sick, but it will just reduce the risk of getting sick when you wear these. These are perfect to put over regular masks to extend the life of those N95 masks. There are also patterns. This is the adult mask. This is the adult size mask. There's also sizes for kids as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you first how to make these on the Maker, and then I'll show you how to make them on the Air 2.
So here in Design Space, you will have all of your projects. Scroll down to the Explore Adult No-Sew Face Mask and click Make. This is your preview screen. Just click Continue. And then once your machine is connected, you will select your material. If you are using an Air 2, you'll select cardstock, but here we are first cutting the Maker, so I am going to search cotton and select cotton. Click Done, and then you're ready to go and get your fabric ready to be cut. Okay, we're going to prep our shirt to be cut down to fit on the mat. You want to use a self-healing mat on the bottom. The Cricut self-healing mats are measured for 12 and 18 inches. The clear acrylic ruler helps to get a straight cut line. So we are going to cut our fabrics down to 12 inches wide by about 18 inches long. So we have our fabric here. We have it cut into two pieces. You have your front and back. So right now we're just going to go down the seam and cut it. So instead of having one piece, we have two pieces. From an adult extra large shirt, I was able to cut 4 adult masks and 2 children's masks. Now we're going to go ahead and put our fabric that is cut down onto our fabric grip mat. T-shirt materials are pretty stretchy, so apply it and then use your brayer to make sure it's fully attached. Make sure your rotary blade is in your Cricut Maker and you're ready to cut your first fabric mask. Once the rotary blade is done cutting, you'll unload your mat from your machine, pull back the excess fabric, and remove your mask from your fabric grip mat. Now I'll show you how to make these masks if you have an Air 2. You'll want to first cut your design out of cardstock. Put the cardstock on a blue light grip mat, and you'll cut the same design out as you did with the fabric masks. Once the design is done, unload your mat, flip your light grip mat over, and remove the pattern. Line your pattern up on your t-shirt and use a rotary cutter to cut your design out. Once your design is cut out, you'll want to lay your pattern back on the fabric and use a fabric marker to outline on the fabric where the slits go. Then you want to remove the pattern and use your rotary cutter again to cut those slits. This is where the mask will go over your ears. This step is totally optional, but if you wanted to add a design to your mask, you'll use iron-on vinyl. I used this flatten the curve design. You'll preheat your mask for 5 seconds and then heat your Easy Press 2 to 315 degrees and press for 30 seconds. Once it is done pressing, go ahead and flip your mask over and rub it up against the table so that the plastic cools. Once it's cool, peel the plastic backing off at an angle. To apply your mask, put it over your face and hook the top hoop over your ears and then hoop the bottom hoops over your ears. You'll want to have the rounded part down at the bottom of your chin.
So as you can tell, this is a super quick, easy, and affordable project that you can make no matter what your crafting level is. If you want to add this design, this flatten the curve design, you can find it in Design Space. I linked my canvas with this sized for the adult size mask in the description for this video. There is also a ton of other really great designs available in Design Space, or you can just leave your masks blank. Or if you have t-shirts that have fun designs on them, you can cut your design around those designs as well. So if you would like to check out a step-by-step written tutorial for this, I've left the blog post link in the description for this video. I also have linked in the video, like I mentioned, the Design Space canvases to make both the adult masks and the kid masks. And if you like this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Cricut tips, tricks, and tutorials. Have a great day.